Hey Lacademia and Kinder Academy, today we will be going over how to use Mr. Kantor's website. When you get to the website, you can click directly to the drawing activities right down here where it says Mr. Kantor Drawing, and it will bring you to our drawing prompts. The first week of drawing prompts was last week, and it has these 7 different ideas that you can use in your drawings. I suggest using these loosely and not doing exactly to what it looks like. You can use your own creative spin to make it your own. For instance, a monster playing a sport could certainly be a robot playing a sport. You can combine the 2 different subjects and just use that to build on your WOW projects. If you are done with all of your drawing prompts, that's when you're going to move on to the resources. As you can see here near the top of the page, there's kindergarten through 2nd grade resources and 3rd through 5th grade resources. In the 3rd through 5th grade resources, there are several different draw-along activities that you can use via YouTube. You can follow along with what they have. I also suggest creating a cardboard sculpture following along with this video will allow you to make sure that you know the right techniques and strategies for making a cardboard sculpture. And finally, you can be inspired by this YouTube video and figuring out all the different kinds of cardboard sculptures that you can use. After you're done, you would click up to the 3 through 5 Artsonia, and you can follow along with the prompts just like we do in the classroom using access code that is found right here, DDDZ YMPC. Or you can use your smartphone or iPad and just scan the QR code right from there. If you are done with all of your resources and you've created more than one WOW project for the week, you can go up here where it says Museum Resources. In this area, this is where you can find different galleries that you can search through, research, and try to make connections to your own WOW art.